Did you know that the Central Water Commission, Government of India, reported a total of 23 major dam failures in the country between 1960 and 2010? Some of them led to a significant number of deaths and damage to the property. The Machu Dam failure in Morbi, Gujarat in 1979 had claimed more than 2,000 lives. Hello friends, welcome to Indic Law. You may have heard about the recent dam safety bill that has been finally passed by the Rajya Sabha amidst the protests by the opposition demanding it to be sent to the Select Committee for scrutiny. Several MPs from the opposition parties have come out saying that dams are state subject and the union government cannot make rules for the state. What is so contentious about this bill? Let's learn with Indic Law. India ranks third after the US and China in the number of large dams. 5,254 large dams are in operation in the country currently and another 447 are under construction. About 75% of the large dams in India are more than 25 years old and about 164 dams are more than 100 years old. A badly maintained, unsafe dam can be a hazard to human life, flora and fauna, public and private assets, and the environment. This calls for developing robust systems for dam failure analysis and for recording and reporting dam failures. The Dam Safety Bill proposes to help all states and union territories adopt uniform dam safety procedures. The bill provides for surveillance, inspection, operation and maintenance of the specified dam for prevention of dam failure-related disasters. The bill also provides for institutional mechanism to ensure safe functioning of dams. Further, the bill proposes to form National Committee on Dam Safety (NCDS), State Committees on Dam Safety (SCDS), National Dam Safety Authority (NDSA), and State Dam Safety Organization (SDSO). Let's discuss the roles and responsibilities of these bodies. National Committee on Dam Safety and State Committees on Dam Safety. The bill provides to constitute a National Committee on Dam Safety with a 3-year tenure, which is to be chaired by the chairperson of the Central Water Commission. Other members of the NCDS will be nominated by the union government and will include a maximum of 10 representatives of the union government in the ranks of Joint Secretary, a maximum of 7 representatives of the state governments, and 3 experts on dam safety. The NCDS will formulate policies for dam safety to prevent dam failures. The bill provides for the constitution of a State Committee on Dam Safety by the state governments. It will ensure proper surveillance, inspection, operation and maintenance of all specified dams in that state and ensure their safe functioning. National Dam Safety Authority and State Dam Safety Organizations. The bill provides for the formation of NDSA, which will be responsible for the implementation of the policies of the NCDS. The bill provides that every state having a specified number of dams will establish a State Dam Safety Organization or SDSO, which will be manned by officials with sufficient experience in the field of dam safety. The bill lays down that all specified dams will fall under the jurisdiction of the SDSO of the state in which the dam is situated. The NDSA will, in some cases, possess this jurisdiction. When a dam owned by one state is located in another state or crosses multiple states, or if a dam is owned by a central public sector undertaking. The SDSO is empowered to investigate and gather data for proper review and study of the various features of the design, construction, repair and enlargement of dams, reservoirs and appurtenant structures. The SDSO must also report events such as dam failures to the NDSA or the National Dam Safety Authority and also maintain records of major dam incidents of each specified dam. Now, without going to name calling the states or parties that have opposed the bill, let us examine what is wrong with the bill and the bodies that it has proposed to create. Under the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India, water and water storage is a state subject. One of the main objections to the bill is that it is unconstitutional as water is one of the items on the state list. Opposition says it encroaches upon the sovereignty of states to manage their dams and violates the principles of federalism enshrined in the Constitution. They see it as an attempt by the sender to consolidate power in the guise of safety concerns. Finally, one of the striking observations made was that the provision to have a representative of the Central Water Commission as a member of the NCDS, which is the regulatory body, would mean that CWC will function as both an advisor and regulator, which is impermissible under the Constitution according to the Supreme Court. Do you think our dams are safe? Do you agree that to prevent dam failures in future, India needs robust systems in place? Share your thoughts about the Dam Safety Bill in the comment section.